Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's so good to be back making recipe videos. Today we are making another sardine recipe. Trying to think of new ways to add more omega-3s in. Sardines are just such a great way to do that. I know that sardines are not always palatable for everybody, so that's why I recommend getting the boneless and skinless sardines, especially if you're just kind of new to them and want to try them out. Another little hack that I've come across to help you get in more sardines is to mix it with tuna. You mix the two together, you're not gonna even know it's there. It's a great way to upgrade a typical tuna recipe. I make like a sardine tuna salad, but also make it into a tuna sardine melt, like a warm, cheesy, yummy sandwich. So that's what we're gonna do today. Start by just making a basic tuna salad, but I'm going to use a combo of sardines and tuna. So we're gonna start by just flaking our boneless, skinless sardines into a bowl. Sardines are just really high in those omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. Especially for fertility and during pregnancy and breastfeeding, getting enough DHA is super important. It's really important for fetal brain development. In general, omega-3s are so important for lowering inflammation, so they help with aches and pains, good for the nervous system, good for healthy cholesterol levels, are something that I am recommending to pretty much all of my patients in clinic. While plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts do have omega-3s, they contain ALA omega-3s. We really only convert less than 5% of that to the important DHA, EPA that we need in the body. Are fully plant-based, important to consider an algae-based supplement for your EPA and DHA. I just flaked in the sardines as well as some skipjack tuna, just 1 can of each, 4 ounces, and I'm just mixing them up together. It just looks like tuna. You really can't even tell they're sardines. Hi, Robin. To this mixture, we are going to add half a cup of dill pickles. I like to buy the pickles that are refrigerated. The good probiotics from the fermentation process are still there. 1/4 cup of red onion, just for flavor. You could leave it out if you don't like red onion. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of some avocado oil mayo. And we're just gonna mix that all together. Tuna sardine salad, you wanna try a bite? Yummy. Clean this up, and then we are going to make it into a sandwich melt. Got a cast iron skillet getting nice and warm, and I've got some homemade whole wheat sourdough tutorial on my Instagram for how I make it. On the outside pieces of the bread, we're just gonna spread a little bit of that same mayo. Maybe a lot of people already know this, but you can use mayo for like a grilled cheese or like a tuna melt instead of butter. And it's really, really good. Butter is great though, and I usually do use butter. I just thought, oh, well, I already have the mayo out, might as well use that. Got some slices of cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, like 1 side down. And then I'm going to put the cheese down first so that it melts. I'm gonna use 1 more slice. Make it extra cheesy. Just be careful because the pan is nice and hot. I'm just gonna spoon on some of our tuna sardine salad. And now we just put the top on. I think this side is ready. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Yum. Other side is done. Oh boy. Look at that. You know it's hot. Look at that. Oh, that's good. It's so melty and warm. The bread is so crispy. It just tastes like a tuna melt. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about this recipe will be down in the description below. Please give this video a like if you want to see more like it. Make sure to put your requests for future recipe videos down below in the comments. I will see you guys next time for another one. Bye. Say bye. Say mwah. Mwah. Bye everyone.